Hello, I'm Sarah Kate, an occupational therapist here at Hamilton Medical Center. Welcome to Joint Moves, a video demonstration for post-surgery hip precautions. In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to get dressed using your hip kit while following posterior total hip precautions. First, let's review your 3 posterior hip precautions. Do not bend at your hips past 90 degrees. Do not cross your legs. Do not turn your toe inward. After your total hip surgery, select loose-fitted clothing that make dressing easier for you, such as athletic pants, shoes with elastic shoelaces, or slip-on shoes with non-slip soles. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to utilize your reacher, sock aid, dressing stick, and shoehorn for lower body dressing. These items are all included in your hip kit. Remember, when beginning to dress, to always dress your operated leg first and undress it last. First, I'm going to demonstrate how to use your reacher. This tool is handy when you need to grab something that is out of reach, to adjust your sock after using a sock aid, and to pick items up off the floor. To operate, squeeze the end of the handle to tighten the grip at the opposite end of the reacher, and release the handle to let an item go. You will see the reacher utilized throughout this instructional video. For the purpose of this demonstration, let's demonstrate dressing with a right hip replacement. Use the reacher to gather the material of the operated leg's pant hole. Lower the pant leg down to your foot and feed your foot through the hole. Use the reacher to pull the pant leg up high enough until you can grasp the pants with your opposite hand. Next, insert your non-operated leg into the pant hole and pull your pants up past your knees. This process is the same when putting on underwear. Next, we are going to demonstrate putting on socks using your sock aid. When using a sock aid, be sure to only use your hands and resist the temptation to hold the sock aid between your knees, because this will cross your knees and break one of your hip precautions. Using both hands, scrunch up your sock and work it over your sock aid. Make sure the bottom of the sock is on the bottom of your sock aid. Holding on to the ropes, toss the sock aid down to the floor on the outside of your foot. Slip your foot all the way into the sock aid while pulling up on the ropes to put the sock in place. You can use your reacher to adjust your sock if needed. Before using a shoehorn, you may want to use your reacher to put your shoe in place. The reacher is also helpful to hold the tongue and keep it up out of the way while putting your shoe on. Place the shoehorn in the back of the shoe, between the heel of your foot and the back of the shoe. While placing your foot in the shoe, use the shoehorn for leverage and push your heel down onto the shoehorn. Again, you can use your reacher to hold the tongue back and out of the way, or to make any adjustments once your shoe is on. Once you have on your pants, socks, and shoes, it is time to stand up and pull your pants up and over your hips. The dressing stick can be used instead of your reacher to put on underwear and pants. It can also be used to take off your sock and shoes. To take off your shoes, insert the dressing stick on the outside heel and push down until the shoe is off. You can do the same for taking off your socks. Remember that adjusting to your new way of dressing will take some time, and mastering these techniques will take some practice. It might be a little frustrating at first, but remember that practice makes perfect, and your health is worth it.